Next, we'll take a look at your settings. That is the gear icon on your main menu. In the settings menu, you'll find your configuration, custom date settings, language settings, Wi-Fi settings, protocols, and your About device screen. On your configure settings, you'll have your print and pulse voltage for the cartridge. Depending on the type of cartridge that you're using, that may need to be adjusted. Show ink amount. This will turn the ink indicator on the main screen on and off. And this is the tone indicator or beep, so that every time you print it beeps or when you push a button. Scanner, by turning this on, this will activate the scan and print function. Turn off the screen. This allows you to turn off the screen to save a little battery. And then your backlight adjustment for adjusting the light or brightness of the screen. Custom date format settings. This is where you'll adjust any of your custom date information. You'll find that information in a future video as well as in your manual. Language settings. In here you have a selection of languages to choose from based on your location or the preference of your operators. This is also where you can load in fonts. Please make sure that they are a .ttf or a true type font in order to be used. Information on that is also available in your manual. Wi-Fi settings. This is where, if you have your unit connected to Wi-Fi, this is where you'll find the IP address and gateway settings to be able to send information directly to the printer. Protocols. This is for your Wi-Fi. The available protocols currently are only HTTP, and we can enable or disable feedback. Your About device screen. This is where you're going to find your software version, the ability to upgrade if there is an upgrade sent to you, your device ID or serial number, and as well as your customer ID information in the QR code. This may be required to be sent to the manufacturer if there is ever a problem with your printer.